Social media marketing is quite a bit different than, let's say, email marketing and other types of marketing. And you see a lot of people that just like post a link to Facebook groups or other people's walls, things like that. And they're essentially spamming, or they'll leave comments in the YouTube video questions with the link somewhere, stuff like that. None of those techniques work. It's just like a few years ago when we were doing a lot of blogging, people would leave links in their blog comments to affiliate products. Again, they were trying to leverage you as an influencer, or let's say as a guru of sorts, and to drive endorsed traffic to whatever affiliate offers they were trying to promote. It just doesn't work at all that way, guys. It just doesn't work. Those are purely spamming tricks. Tricks are essentially ways to try to score a fast one, which is never a good idea. They were not techniques. Techniques are systems and strategies that tend to be deployed and work. Techniques require more time and effort to work than tricks. People sell you on tricks because they know you're desperate and in a hurry. So you're just going to be frustrated and embarrassed, quite frankly, if you use these tricks because they don't work. First of all, if you start like leaving links in people's YouTube videos or on their blogs, in their comments, they're going to just ban you. They don't want them there, or that network is going to ban you. Okay. What you want to do with social media is you want to share compelling content and then ask people, if you want to know information, private message me to make it social. So you'll see these people on Facebook, they'll leave a post that says, yeah, I just made $500. Here's proof. You want to learn more, leave me a comment. And then that starts the dialogue. And that's what it's all about, is that dialogue, that social interaction. So I may go, hey, Bill, how are you doing that? I'd say, well, I am, asking people to leave me questions. And then I respond to their questions and I recommend my products to them when they respond. Why does that work different than just posting a link? Well, think about it. Social media is a social network. They're designed to get people to interchange. So when you have a discussion with somebody, it's less of I'm trying to trick you into clicking this so I can trick you into making a few bucks so I can buy beer tonight, or whatever the scenario is. So you have to look at social media from that perspective. You can use techniques like sharing social proof of your results and asking for a conversation. Having the conversation will lead to more conversions. Now, email marketing, when you'd have a list of leads that you generated from a product launch you did, you send out an email that says, buy this, and you get a lot of sales. But the typical thing is you don't. Most people buy leads or get leads through buying solo ads, and they don't know how to segment, so they don't know how to get the database down to an interested target so that you can send an email that's more likely to convert. When you do social media marketing and you ask for a response based on some sort of proof you've given them, then you've got a captured audience that you can talk to. Now, I know guys that do this very effectively. What they do is they will do something like that, and they'll say, yeah, give me a call. Here's my phone number. And people are thrilled to call you if they're serious, because so many people online, they want to hide and not actually talk to people. So if you want to be a great social media marketer, what you want to do is you want to send them, give them some social proof. Say, hey, you want to learn more about this? Hit me up in comments and I'll share a link with you, or we can have a discussion. And then you'll start to get really high quality endorsed followers and traffic from that. Now, my ultimate advice here is make sure when you do these things, you're giving great advice, and you're not just trying to trick them into some scam product. Make sure it's real. So if you're going to say, hey, you'll make money at this, all you got to do is click on the ad 5 times a day. Those are all scams, but a lot of people fall for that. And you just spent your reputation leading people down a river of fire. You don't want to do that either. Now, I know that there's a million people born, and there's all sorts of, there's a sucker born every day to those types, so they don't care. But learn to follow people that really are interested in what you have, and try to provide them really solid advice in looking at products. I can endorse certain products that I know are good or that have the potential for being good. The difference between something you know is good and the potential for being good really comes down to you and your ability to follow instructions and take action. You can learn how to do pay-per-click advertising with Facebook and make thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars a day. I have a friend who makes $20,000 a day, and he's living over in Thailand now. And he's just, he's like the king of the island he's on. He's so wealthy just by Facebook ads and ClickBank products. But he applied himself. He had the skill and he invested money. He learned how to do it. And it took him some time. Once he figured it out, he leveraged it, and he's doing great. So that's not a scam product. That is a good product that requires people to actually take time, effort, and figure it out. And it takes a little bit of money too. So this is the difference between social marketing and just spamming people with emails. The email is still the most effective thing, but a lot of people will be able to make money going to Facebook groups and leaving, snapshots of earnings that they've done or that they get, and say, if you want to learn how to do this, let's chat, and then start a conversation, get people going on that.